Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can summon a safari themed weather and grow a garden. So for the weathers, it's random. As you can see, the first weather we had was the Safari Rain at 50 million points for the milestone. And then the next one we had was Safari Night, then Safari Drought at 11 billion. At 15, it was the Safari Oasis. Next is the Safari Stampede. So it does depend on the kind of Safari points we have. But if you want to summon it, you're just going to purchase the Safari Totem Charm. And there's only one use for it, so you're just going to press it. And as you can see, I have summoned the Safari Drought. Let me just change it. So let's do this one, because on the other one I had no plans. But yeah, that's pretty much it really. That's how you can summon a Safari themed weather. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!